We often had problems of missing reports, service sheets missing, or guys losing information in their vehicles. That information between reporting on site when the guys were there and us being able to enter it and send it to clients took a long time. So moving away from that meant that our clients could get accurate, quick reporting and quotes for any defects or anything that might be outstanding. There are plenty of companies around that compete in, I guess, the lower end of the market, and for them, paper-based reporting is enough to get by. But when you start dealing with clients that have a better understanding of the standards and the requirements, you need to have a better reporting system. And it basically meant that without moving across to a better system, we wouldn't be able to compete for that business. It happened in a way that meant that we could work in a partnership with those guys in the office to make it happen quickly. We went 100% from our existing system over to the new system and found working day to day with those guys, they were able to assist us to make any changes to make it a lot quicker and a lot less painful. Once the initial sort of shock of changing systems was dealt with, the implementation across the whole sort of business happened relatively quickly and seamlessly. We saw dramatic improvements from sort of 2 months in. Time on site for guys improved, dealing with all the reports and all the information coming in from the guys was dealt with a lot more swiftly in the office here. We were able to dramatically decrease office time on sites from about 2 months in. That has sort of enabled us to concentrate on more customers in less amount of time, but to be able to give them more information than they've ever had before.
This technology makes my life easier in the office by keeping everything in one place, not having to go between different systems or different spreadsheets. It's all in the one place. It has the schedules, it has the documents, it has the tasks, it has all of the contact details, everything in the one place, so it's easily accessible by anyone in the office. We had a call from a client in regards to them losing their logbook. Usually if someone loses their logbook on site, it's a disaster and there's no record kept for previous services, but with this technology we were able to go into our asset list and download that and send that through to the client so that they could fill out their logbook with all the details from our previous services.
It's made everything a lot easier. That is the bare bones of it, is that we're able to run a business and streamline all the services we provide because there's less manual handling between guys doing the job, us reporting on it, or carrying out any repairs or anything on site. So the business is a lot more seamless. We have no loss of information anymore, and clients are informed of everything while the guys are on site. So we have live reporting, we have live quoting, we have automatic updates of the system. The client is able to log on and check that information, sometimes before the guys have even left site. Okay, the technology has helped us grow at a pretty fast pace. With sort of the integrated maps and client IDs and the information that we have in the software, we're able to streamline the guys. The guys are able to perform more tasks during the day, and we're able to report on more than we ever have before. We can have multiple service guys on the same job all carrying out different services, and that information's all gathered up and sent to the client. So for us, having this system has allowed us the ability to become more competitive in the marketplace and more active in providing a better level of reporting than most companies, we believe. So we've been able to grow our business externally from the office dramatically without the need to put a lot of resources into the office to deal with the increase in business.